And it's been a pleasant and for many of us very mild day today. Things turning much cooler for tomorrow. I'll be back at the end of the programme with all the details and a look ahead at the weekend.
And knitting are still alive. I remember when I was young, which is a long time ago.
You said it.
My nan used to knit us ill-fitting jumpers, you know, which we'd get for Christmas or birthday presents.
Do you know what? When my little girl was born, so many viewers sent in like little knitted cardigans. So there's a lot of talent out there.
There is, isn't
in
there?
Yorkshire,
Yeah.
and those blankets are absolutely beautiful.
Maybe you should have more of a return to that kind of clothing.
Yeah, we'll come on knitted jumpers tomorrow, shall we? That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Or maybe a little shawl. Right, it's been a lovely mild day. We reached 18.5 degrees at Bridlington, and in a few other spots, it was near Sheffield and Bramham, we reached nearly 18 degrees as well, so very mild for the time of year. We've got a couple of lovely pictures of the Leeds skyscape, Leeds dock there. We had lovely blue skies overhead, a bit more cloud in some spots across the Dales, for example, but we have had a lovely day. I think you're going to notice the difference tomorrow. Keep your pictures coming in to the BBC Weather Watchers page, or you can tweet us, or we're on Instagram to Keeley.Donovan. So tomorrow, a fresher feel to things. Temperatures will be down quite a few degrees, and it'll be a mix of, yes, some sunshine, but also a few showers being blown through on a brisk west to northwest breeze. And this is the cold front that's going to pass over us overnight, introducing that fresher air. We've still got some low pressure and some unsettled weather to come at times through the weekend, but on Sunday, high pressure tries to build in again. It'll be milder once again, and actually we've got a spell of quite pleasant weather for the first half of next week, with temperatures once again well above average. You can see we were best placed across the UK to get some of that sunshine through today. We have seen more clouds slipping down from the north. It hasn't spoilt things for most of us, and we will continue to see more cloud pushing down from the northwest without breaks of rain, mostly light and patchy away from the hills. It'll tend to sink away southwards towards the end of the night, and temperatures will drop back to around 7 or 8 degrees. So a quick look at those high water times in Filey at 3:25 in the morning and then 3:26 tomorrow afternoon. So tomorrow, you'll notice a fresher feel to things, a brisk breeze from the west or northwest, blowing in a few showers. They'll be very hit and miss to the east of high ground, always a bit more frequent in the west and northwest. There could even be the odd heavier one, but as you can see, a good deal of dry and bright weather too, but temperatures down a notch on yesterday. In fact, these are closer to the seasonal average for this time of year. Looking further ahead into the weekend, a fine start to Saturday, clouding over, rain later on, a fine day to come on Sunday with some spells of sunshine, and actually a fine spell of weather the early part of next week, some sunshine and also temperatures above average. No need for your crocheted blankets.
No, I don't need the winter woolies in this.
Absolutely not.
Thank you, Keeley. That's as far as we go for now. Has been